Welcome back to Beyond the Known, the channel where we explore the mysteries of the universe and push the boundaries of science and imagination. Today, we're diving into one of the most ambitious projects humanity could ever undertake: terraforming Mars. Imagine transforming the barren, hostile surface of the red planet into a thriving world capable of supporting human life, a second Earth where our species could expand and secure its future. To understand how this could be achieved, we need to start with the current state of Mars. The planet has an average temperature of minus 60 degrees Celsius, a thin atmosphere composed mostly of carbon dioxide, and no liquid water on the surface, all of which make it incredibly inhospitable to life as we know it. The first step in terraforming Mars would involve thickening its atmosphere, a process that could be achieved by releasing greenhouse gases, which would trap heat and raise the surface temperature. This could be done by building massive factories that pump out carbon dioxide, or by detonating thermonuclear devices at the poles to release trapped CO2 from the ice caps. Once the atmosphere begins to thicken and warm, the next step would be to introduce water. This could involve melting the polar ice caps, redirecting comets to crash into the surface, or using advanced technology to extract water from the Martian soil. With a thicker atmosphere and available water, we could then introduce microbes and plants engineered to survive in harsh conditions, kickstarting a biological process that would produce oxygen and begin creating a breathable atmosphere. Over centuries, this process could transform Mars into a world with rivers, lakes, and even oceans, capable of supporting forests, wildlife, and human settlements. However, this vision comes with immense challenges, including the planet's lack of a magnetic field, which exposes it to deadly solar radiation and would require the creation of artificial magnetic shields. Additionally, the ethical implications of altering another planet and the massive financial and technological hurdles must be considered. While the dream of terraforming Mars remains in the realm of science fiction for now, the advancements we make in space exploration and technology bring us closer to the possibility of making it a reality. This is not just about creating a backup for humanity, but also about proving what we are capable of as a species when we work together to achieve the impossible. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of humanity and the mysteries of space. If you enjoyed this exploration and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Beyond the Known, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep looking beyond the known.